Look at this. It looks just like freaking snow, but it's not. It's just drizzling and rain. And cars are still coming by.
Coming down hard, huh?
Yeah.
It's only a matter of time. I knew it was coming.
And then while the end of the rain comes, there's gonna be snow because of the rain.
Oh, Lord.
What's wrong?
That's rain bouncing off the ground.
You know, one night it was foggy out. It was like and out of nowhere it was freezing.
Oh wow. Man. Wow.
Go ahead, dumbass.
Go.
That caused the wind. No, they weren't. Yeah, time. Yeah, he could have did. He could have been one. He just waiting.
Look at that, all three of them. Wait, all four of them.
So he made lines.
All four of them just hit. 5 of them. There's 5 now.
No, man.
Oh, 6.
They're coming from the top.
I wonder why there's a roof over the third floor. So how did
The wind blowing.
Yep, that's what you call wind.
I'm glad you made it home. Hey, I can't go nowhere. I'm going to go get that.
I don't know how you gonna do that today. I gotta go to work.
Oh, you got to go to work too?
Yep. I'm only here for a few minutes. And then I gotta turn right back around and go downtown.
Hey.
I
Why?
can do it tomorrow. But you already made the appointment.
I try not to make it because you don't have to.
Walk in.
But I don't. I still talk.
Well, at least it's okay. At least it's okay.
Alright.
I don't have to really worry about me.
Right.
Unless I want to sit first. But you know, that's mine. I'm more than sit
No, because I kind of want to do something
But she's like,
tomorrow. I don't know what though. Kind of want to do something tomorrow. I just don't know what to do. Get out of the house. Like all of us can get out of the house. I'll go bowling tonight. I don't know that.
Brunswick, even.
that right
Well,
Yeah,
Brunswick.
why down Spencer? Nah, his name is Spencer. Nah, Spencer ain't even here no more.
Oh, really?
He moved back to Tennessee.
Wait, who?
His name is Spencer.
Wait, the kid that has kids?
He has a son.
Oh, son.
Look at that. Can't win. Nice passing storm.
Wow.
But it's supposed to keep on raining. It's supposed to be raining the weekend anyway.
Your way. So you're probably.
They'll probably get down your granddad and one, yeah. Or your damn granddad. I swear. He is a trip.
Yeah.
This nigga's a trip. This nigga's a trip. His mom texted me, right? Since I was down there away at the office, at the doctor's office. And I'm gonna check on him because she was calling him. He wouldn't answer the phone.
Again?
Yeah. So I goes down there, right?
Wow.
So immediately I go down there. I don't expect the car being there. Could be out and about. Actually, the car is